what made you feel like you wanted to apply for this internship?
I say really with everything going on right now, nobody like I see a lot of people like not doing anything. Now, I've got a lot of free time on my hands, and it's just like why not do something that's gonna change my life, that's gonna impact me in the future. And then my avid teacher sent me this, and I was like, well, this is exactly what I've been looking for.
So now that you have been doing the internship for a little over a week, how are you enjoying the experience?
It's extremely enjoyable because like for like me as someone who wants to do this in the future, it's really like a look into the future. It's really cool for me in that sort of way. It's like when as a child, if you want to be like a firefighter and you go to the fire safety building, it's one of those things that's like really really cool for me because you get to see into the future. And as you see more, you get to think, do I want to do this? And for me, I can tell that I do.
I would love to know what you are thinking after you're in. Um, how did you feel talking to her, and what became clear for you after that conversation?
After talking to her, she's extremely experienced. That was like a whole like that made me feel really good because she took the time out of her day to speak to me, and I guess it's motivation, and I didn't feel like she was trying to like back things like hide things from me because of like my age or whatever. I feel like she was trying to give me the most experience she could, and that was extremely helpful. She also explained to me like how things work in terms of the money that she makes
Mm-hmm.
and how her way of living changed once she did reach that higher level,
Yeah.
which was a lot. That's the information most people don't share. So
Mm-hmm.
that was extremely insightful.
What would you say to rising 10th, 11th, and 12th graders about this program?
I said, man, it's a one of a kind experience. It doesn't get any better than this. Internships, it's really hard to find them. So if you can find one, you definitely need to come stick to it. And I would not recommend anyone other than this. This one's great. This has definitely been an eye-opening experience. You learn things that you couldn't learn in a classroom. You can't Google things like this. So you can only get them from the experience that you have to come internship for. I go to South Cobb High School in Austell, and shout out to Miss Miller for sending me the internship after I had already after I won the essay contest. She sent me the internship, and shout out to Mr. McCall for like teaching me everything. That was my graphic design teacher, so I owe everything now.